Hello again, this is another video on how you can test the URL with Puppeteer and portfinder. Well, we will use both. First of all, we need to install both of them. npm install ctep Puppeteer and portfinder. Okay, meanwhile we need to create in this case a page called test, and we will use the test click test. Yes, we have our server and everything is the same as we did before, but in this case we are going to change a little bit. For example, to check if this paragraph is really redirection. Nice. Well, we need to add data test. This data test is just to find on the object document object model to check if this can redirection or go to, in this case, about page. Well, that is the first step. The second step that we need to do is to change the listen. Why? Because we will use the Puppeteer, that is a Chromium without headless. Well, without head is a headless or UI environment that you can test or use browser. And in this case we need to check if require point main is equal to model. With this it will can use this. If not, we can export model exports. In this case we will export the app application. Okay, that's the second part that we need to do. Okay, this is great. We have portfinder and Puppeteer. Okay, have this. Okay, let's make our test. First of all, we need the Puppeteer. It's equal to wire Puppeteer. The next thing, portfinder. Require portfinder. Everything is going well. After that, we need the application. And if you remember, we did this if we run the, in this case, the node, if not like this, it will use this. If not, it will export the model, and that is what we need. We need to export the model and require serve Jest. Okay, why this? After that we need to serve we need to use the port to null2. Why? Because we will change it for each in this case sync. Okay, but what we are going to do first of all, port is equal to await the port finder get port promise, and serve is equal to await system in this port just after each. This is a normal arrow function that will close the server. This will find the free port that we can initiate our server with this, and that's all. And we close the server when the test is closed. Well, let's start with our test. An arrow page. Then it will be another single wait function. And first of all, we need the Puppeteer, both we need the page. Both we will use the Puppeteer to launch. In this case, we will launch the but be careful because everything is with sync await functions like asynchronous function. Then the page will be page dot page dot new page. Wait for that. Wait page on wait page content. This is HTTP. If you want to use this or another one like localhost, you can use it. But actually, I really love this. The localhost IP address. Then, what we need? In this case, we need to promise all, and we will wait for all the promises to complete. The first one is goto, and wait cache, and after that we need to page click because we will need in this case our data test is equal to about. If everything is okay, we will expect our text to be page.url to be http port about. Okay, we will wait Puppeteer because it's our Chromium or Chrome browser, but it's a Chromium browser that has everything that a Chromium has, except unless the UI. Well, we wait for the new page go to the new page that a new page browser. Then we need to go to our, in this case, server. We wait for navigation and we need to click on this, and after that we can check if the page URL is the same as about. That's all. Let's check with test. If everything is going well, you can see the success in everything. But if not, we can see an error. Just let's see. Got okay. I think we have in Goto. But why? Sorry, browser. Sir. Sorry for that, because and we need to close the browser. Close. And there's something. Let's check it out because it has everything correct. Portfinder, listen, okay, got it. Failed. Oops. Sorry. It has to be. Well, everything is going well after. Well, before that thing. We have our sixth pass. And if you see, we can check the test, handlers test, and test click test. And everything is great. Well, that is all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. This is a really great example of how you can click test your web page. See ya.